situation here, this time he has both of your legs. I get the sleeves too. Whenever someone holds on to your legs, the cuffs, the sleeve grips here, they're readily available for you, okay? But the problem is, if I just hold on like this with no connection to him, what's to stop Luca from outflanking me here, start passing the guard? Nothing. So yes, I'm going to get my grips like he's got his, but I need to connect to him here. So what I'm going to do is just break the grips off and now go on my back and get to the spider guard, okay, where the sole of your feet are pressed against these biceps. So now when Luca tries to pass towards my right, I'm connected to him and he can't. He changes direction to the other side. Keep going, he can't, okay? Now he'll be holding on to your legs, the pants there, the grips there. Nobody wants to get stuck in this position. So one of the best ways to kind of negate this spider guard is to start stepping back and driving my feet to the ground. Yes, when you see this, you can always come in. We have the same block here. Split the legs and push him just above the knees. Be careful pushing him back directly by the knees here. You might just jam his legs, it might cause an injury. So just above the knees here, okay? So if he gets both of my legs, like so, I'm here. If you couldn't break the grip, that's fine. I'll just go on my back and go directly into a spider guard, all right? He may attempt to pass your legs here, just stay connected for now, okay? That's it, now he'll go the other way. Yep, now he'll start pressing your legs down, walk him back, and he's going the direction that you want him to anyway. So as you split the legs, push, and you come up. All right? Let's hit it.